this lesson, we're going to focus on 3 simple notes: open E, open A, and open D. On the music, you'll notice that there are 3 ledger lines below the staff, and then there's a low note in that bottom space. That is our open E. The next note we're going to learn is A. You'll notice 2 ledger lines, and the note is on the line. So there's a line going through the note. That is our open A string. And the next note is D, and it's just on the bottom space of the staff. Like that. For this, we're going to just use the thumb in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second system starts off the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And here's where it changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll show you that whole thing again. I'll show you the whole entire thing, and then I want you to play along, and I will play the arpeggios, the arpeggiated chords that are happening at the same time, and then we can play a duet together. And during that time, I will put the sheet music on the screen, and then you can play along with me. But first, I will show you how to play your part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice a couple things in the music, like the top part says student, the bottom part says teacher. So this is the part you're learning right now. Another thing you'll notice is there's a P here, which means piano, which is Italian for soft. Then at the very end, you will see a fermata. The fermata just means to hold that note longer than its value. Since we have a quarter note at the very end with a fermata, that means we're going to hold it longer than 1 beat. Another thing that you can always do is slow down at the very end of whatever you're playing. Here's the last system. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can always slow down at the end of the song. All right, now I will play the arpeggios and you can play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.